Hey, it's G here, Gayon in Cali, California. So today is Saturday, February 10th, 2018. So I'm getting ready to make some paleo empanadas. So of course, if you guys have heard of paleo is a kind of diet that's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, grains-free, etc. So it's a very healthy way to eat. So today I'm making some empanadas, and if you don't know what empanadas is, basically what that is, that's Spanish for meat pies. So I'm gonna get I'm gonna do like a couple segments here. So the first thing is to get the filling ready for the meat pie. Okay. So right now I'm gonna show you guys what I have going on here. Let me see if I can switch. Oh, can I not switch the camera? I should have been doing. Yeah, I don't think I can switch the camera. So anyway, so let me show you what I have going here. So I have the pot here with some olive oil that's heating up. I have a bowl here with some. This is jalapeno peppers, green onions, and garlic. And this is some onions, red and green bell peppers. So I'm going to saute the onions. I'm going to saute these first in the pot, and then I'm going to add the ground beef. There you go. There's the ground beef. So I'm going to add all that. I'm going to saute all that. That's going to be the filling for the meat pie. So I'm going to saute all that. First do the onions, get those going first. And then after the onions are done, I'm going to then put the ground meat and put them all together, and that's going to be the filling. So I'll be back shortly. I'll show you when that's done. Then I'm going to show you guys how to make the filling. And again, this is a paleo, so it's gluten-free. Okay, so I'll be back in a sec to show you guys when the filling is done, how you prepare the pie crust. Okay, so that'll be on shortly. Bye for now. Okay, so continuing with my paleo empanadas. So I have the onions are sauteing, so I'm getting ready to add the ground beef. So again, we have red and green peppers, onions, jalapeno peppers, all minced, green onions, and garlic. So that's all sauteing now. And next step is, once this is sauteed, now this is sauteed ready, we're gonna now add the ground beef. And this is turkey. I'm making here turkey. I just added the turkey ground beef. Okay? So I'm using turkey ground beef. So I'm gonna mix this all up. Mix this all up with the peppers, etc. I'm going to cover the lid and let the meat cook. So get this all mixed together. Again, this is the filling for the meat pie. And if you guys, and for the recipe for this, it's in my Healthy You page. The link to the Healthy You page right below the description of this video. There you'll find a link to the Healthy You page, and you can go there and get this recipe. Okay, so you can know what all the ingredients are, the measurements are. So again, I added the ground beef to the sauteed onions and things that I had minced together. So you have to get the ground beef cooked now. So there we go. So now I'm going to cover the pot and let the ground beef cook. Put the lid on. Let that cook, and then I'll come back and show you guys when the meat is finished. Then you put that aside, and then you work on the filling, which is the crust that the meat is going to go into. You're going to bake that, etc. So that's coming on next. I'll come back when the meat is done, and then we'll work on making the crust. Okay, so we got the batter going here. Over here. This is the batter for the crust. So the crust consists of shown here. We have tapioca flour, almond flour, and a cup of coconut milk, full fat canned coconut milk. This is why it's paleo, why it's gluten free, because we're using almond flour. We're using a half a cup of almond flour, a half a cup of tapioca flour, 1 cup of coconut milk. Here's the batter. You put it in the plate, in your bowl. You mix it all together, and all we're gonna do here is we're gonna make this like it feels like pancake batter. So we're gonna make it like pancake. So I have the griddle going here. So we're gonna take some, pour, make like six of these round, like same as pancake, and then we're gonna put them on a baking sheet and put the meat in the middle. Make the pie, and I'll show you that in a moment. Anyways, I just want to show you this. This is the batter done. I'm going to make the batter now, and I'll come back in a sec. Okay, So there you go, I have it on the griddle. So I got 3 batter going, so I'm gonna get these done, put it on the bake sheet, and then after they're done on the bake sheet, then we're gonna fill them with the meat, and then we're gonna then bake them next. So anyway, so I just want to show you, like I said, we're doing just like pancakes. We're gonna put them in the griddle and just cook the batter. Okay, so these are some of the meat pie crust is ready. I got two left. That's the last one. So what I'm doing is I'm taking, you call it egg wash, just 1 scrambled egg, and I'm going to brush it on because the meat is going to go in the middle, and we're going to fold these into the pies. See, so I got the scrambled egg. I got a brushing it on these, and now. And here's the filling, the ground meat. Remember, the only thing I added differently here was I added so you guys know, I added cilantro, which is optional, but you can add whatever you want to your meat pie. So you just put the meat here in the middle, and then we're gonna fold this. We're gonna fold it like that. See? And I'm going to take some more eggs and just try to close it. So with the batter, you only cook the outside, and then you put it on the sheet and you flip it. You flip it to the side that's cooked. So you're going to take, let's see, this one is ready. Yeah, so like this one here is ready. Looks like it's ready. Is it ready? Yeah. So you take it and you flip it. You flip it to the outside. That's all you do here. And now we're gonna fill these up. This is ready. Fill them up with the meat pie. Then take the egg wash, the egg wash. It's just, so not egg white, but it's regular egg you just scramble. So I'm gonna fill another one and fold it, and that's it. And then after we get these ready, we put the egg wash and the put egg wash on the outside too. We'll fold them. After these are all done, we're gonna bake them for on 350. You can bake them for 30 to 40 minutes. So I already have the oven on. I have the oven heating up. So again, you're gonna bake them 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so I'll be back on later. So there they go, they're in the oven, so they're going to bake for 30 to 40 minutes on 350. So I'll come back when everything. Okay, you guys, so here you go, an hour later, the empanadas are ready. Woo-hoo. So mine took an hour because my oven bakes slow, so at 350 it took an hour. Anyways, that's it, guys. That's all it takes. Very healthy. So if you guys try it, comment, let me know how it goes, and if you guys what your opinion of it is. Did you like it, enjoy it, etc. So comment if you do try it and let me know. Give me feedback. That'd be great. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.